Alright, it's been a while since we've done any kind of cold starting video on this or anything, but it's what about October, mid-late October in the 20s somewhere, 24th, 23rd, something like that. Got my little thermometer gun, and the outside body temperature is 52, 54. It's probably about what the temp. But when we get to the engine here, it's 39, 30, 40. So the engine's pretty cold. I don't know. I've always heard you can tell the health of an engine by how it behaves when it's cold. So I'm gonna do just see how she starts up today. Haven't run the heater or anything. Basically your classic cold start. So it usually usually smokes like hell out of here. That's the unburnt diesel. I think I've got a small hole back here, so it tends to come out there too. I like to keep my lights on, just gives me an idea where my battery's at a little bit too. We'll go on engine run, yeah. So we'll just see what happens here. We're not going to do any pre-warming or anything like that. Yeah, this is how it's behaving lately. I gotta do this a little bit. And it starts to want to go again. All right, and we'll do it again. See, it sounds like, I don't know, maybe 1, 2 are firing. Oh, it wanted to that time. Let's try it again. Actually, this is going not as good as I expected it to. So let's try this. We'll turn it down, or turn it off now. And my prediction is this time around it's gonna fire, well, it's gonna fire up better, and then we'll give it some throttle and it'll be fine. We're gonna do this. So you probably noticed it. So when I gave it some more fuel, eventually it seemed like all the cylinders would light, and now it's running normally. So it seems like just not all the cylinders are firing up at the same time. So I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe running some Seafoam through it with a hot soak. We'll see.